charging port. This is charging port, new one. So it's a simple way. So anywhere you are watching, if the video is helpful to you, you can help us to share the video, comment. If there is any other question, you can ask. Help us to comment, share the video, and subscribe. So it's very important. It's very important. Yeah. So make sure you apply paste when you are fixing the charging port. Apply paste without that, so that it cannot affect any other thing inside the panel. So always apply your paste when you are doing any work on the phone or the panel. It's very important. It's very important. So after applying the paste, make sure you use chemical to clean the areas very well.